Good evening, children. I'm sorry for delay because there was heavy rain. I could not get out of the car and get into almost 1 feet water flowing. Somehow I came in drenched. So I'm really sorry for that. But anyway, let's start with the thing. So we are working on statistical measures. So let us see what it is there in store for us. So children, here what is the average of the consecutive integers between 56 and 200 inclusive? Means we need to start with 56 and end with 200 and all are included. Set of numbers are these 56, 200. Now if you take first and last term, so sum is 256. Then second, first and second from last is also 256. Like that, third from last, if you take everywhere the answer is 256 only. Right, children? So now you see 56 plus 200, 57 plus 199, 58 plus 198. Like that, every number is 256. So what is that you have to do now? 200 plus 56 by 2 is 128. Set of those two values, average of those two is 128. So now the addition of all the numbers above is 72 into 256 plus 128. So this is why 72 into 256 we are getting, we will get such 76 pairs, we get 72 pairs. So 200 minus 56 you take, children. 200 minus 56, so it is 154 by 2 is 72, because we are taking two numbers at a time. So 256, sum of two numbers is 256 into 72 pairs we are getting. So total those numbers will be 72 into 256 plus 128 is 18,560. So average of all the numbers is, why 145? Because we are adding 1 and here you are having 144. Total it is 145. So that is equal to 128. So this is not required, children. This is not required, but we are dividing it by, see, if this is not there, you will get, division is easy here. So that's why we added and divided. See, I said smart calculations are also important. So if I do add this, so you'll get it as 18560. 128, so 10 minus 8, 2, 5 minus 2, 3, 5 minus 1, 4 and 18. This by 144. So division, you see how typical it is. So but now if we add this, you are getting 145 pair, so you'll divide it by 145. So division becomes simple, that's all. So that we have added, it is not compulsory. Therefore it average as 128. So this is the thing that we are doing. So this we already explained here. So this is how you will get the answer as 128. So here you have answer as A. Right, children? Please note fast. We will wipe it off. Then go to the next page. Quick. Right, children? So let's go to the second page. Please complete it quick. Quick, children. Right, children? So let us go to the next question. Look at this. If x is greater than minus 1 less than 0 or minus 1 is less than x is less than 0, what is the median of these terms? Median means we will see the middlemost term actually. So we have how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. So as you can see, between minus 1 and 0, the values of 3x, 2x are same. 3x, 2x are same. How it 3x and 2x are same? 3x and 2x are smallest to 2, sorry. So 3x and small, this is minus 3 to 0 and this is also minus 2 to 0. And the values of x square, this is x square, children. X square and 2x plus 1 are bigger in compared to the other numbers. So therefore, whenever we talk about these graphs, y equal to this x, y equal to 2x, y equal to square, y equal to x plus 1, y equal to 3x graphs if you take, so the middlemost thing that comes is y equal to x, median. The one which is the median is y equal to x. Therefore, option A satisfies, right children? So option A satisfies. So please note this fast quickly. Then we'll go to the next question page. So let us go to the next page. Please note it fast. Right, children, let us go to the next question. A, B, C, D is set of numbers with A, B, C, D like this, less than 8. All 4 are less than 8. If you add 10 to the group, both the median and the average of the new group becomes 6. What is the average of the original numbers? So look at this, children. So A, B, C, D is the original group. To that we have added 10. So now C becomes median, middlemost term. C becomes median, which is middlemost term, which he gave it as 6. Therefore, C is equal to 6, we got it. So, and again, what is that he said? Both the median average of the new group becomes 6. Average is also 6. A plus B plus C plus D plus 10 by 5 is the average. And of course, C is given as 6. So, we replace that. So, that is equal to 6. So, A plus B plus D is 30 minus 16, it is 14. A plus B plus D is 30 minus 16 is 15. So, what is the average of original group A plus B plus C 3 by 4? A plus B plus D we got it as 14 plus C is 6 plus C is 6 by 4 by 4. So, therefore, this is 5. So, children, this much of thing is also not required. Can you tell me what else can be done? See, here this logic whatever we have done is useful only to middle term. If 10 is not added, median, to find median it would have been a bigger methodology. Therefore, only because of this even number of terms are there. To get middle term, this addition of 10 will help us. As this all was not needed, directly we could have done it, okay? But in this case it is required because we know that C is 6 only with 10. If C is not there, then median is not 6, therefore it is not, C is not 6. So therefore this becomes compulsory in this case, not in every case, okay? So please note it fast. Right, children, have it, please make it little fast. Now, children, if the median of a group of consecutive integers is 29.5, which of the following may be addition of these numbers? So, children, what is that median middlemost term? If you take consecutive terms, it is middlemost term. So 29 and 30 should be the two middle terms. For that average to be 29.5. But are we starting from 1? Did he state that we are starting from 1? No. We don't know from where we are starting. But definitely 0.5 has come, means there are two middle terms. So median becomes the average of those two. So now if you look at this, that's what I said, like because 0.5 has come, it is very clear that the even number of terms, then there will be two middle terms, average of those two should be 29.5. Average of those two should be 29.5, middlemost, okay. So if you take the total number of elements in the group is 2n, okay. On the other hand, the group of integers of consecutive numbers is 29.5 gave. What are the options here? 377, 296, 206.5 and 118. So the sum of two numbers, sum of 29.5 to 2n, 29.5 to n should be equal to 59n. Therefore, it should be multiple of 59. Children, you understood how we are taking this? If there are 2n terms, sum of the two numbers divided by 2, sum of the two numbers divided by 2 should be the median, midmost term. So first to last, second to second from last, third to third from last. Like that, you should two numbers, isn't it? So ultimately, middle terms, if you add, the average of all these numbers will be same or sum will be same. Therefore, total sum can be this much. So it should be multiple of 59. It should be multiple of 59. Right, children? Because we are getting 59 into a natural number. There are n consecutive integers. So what be the number? Is this divisible by 15? You check. Or is this divisible by 59? Which number is divisible by 59? You check. So according to the things, it should 118. 377 is not divisible by 59 or other things. Okay. Because 59 means it should be this you divide and this you divide and see, this you divide and see, you will get a natural number. Therefore, option is 118. Okay, children, please note it fast. So children, here we cannot use AP all because number of terms are not known. Then we don't know what is A, so therefore we cannot use even AP. So therefore this method is compulsory, right? So this logic you should understand, because we will take two numbers, first and last, one pair, second and second from last, one pair, like that. There should be 10 numbers, so sum of those two by 2 is 29.5 into 2n, okay, but that means the single terms average you are getting, so into 2n, so this is 59n, 29.5 into 2, okay children. So that is the thing. So AP cannot be used, so for this is the only technique, you have to think and answer this, okay. Now let us go to this. If the median of set of consecutive odd integers is 29, odd integers means middlemost term should be that. Which of the following may be the addition of these numbers? So therefore, here if you look at this, the number whatever we take, because median is only 29, the number, it should be divisible, the sum of things should be divisible by the 29, okay, sum of all terms. So you look at that according to this, because he said odd numbers, so 2n plus 1, so neatly one term is middle term, that is 29 is the average, okay. Therefore, this sum whatever we take should be divisible by 29, because first term plus last term by 2 is divisible by 29. Second from beginning and second from last, sum of those two is again divisible by 29, like that. So therefore, sum of all numbers should also be divisible by 29. Therefore, if you take this, then this is not divisible, this is not divisible, 290 and 145 is also there. So if you take 145, odd numbers are there, addition of odd numbers, 348, let us take and divide it by 29 and see, 290, then 58, so this is all divisible, 348 is also divisible. So he said if the median of such consecutive odd integers, okay, see there are, look at this children, there are 2n plus 1 terms. See which of the following may be addition of these numbers if the median of set of consecutive odd integers, set of consecutive odd integers is 29. Set of consecutive odd integers. So odd number of terms and odd numbers should be there. So therefore 348 is also divisible by 29, we got it here. Then let us check 296, it is not divisible by 29. So 145, if you see, is it divisible by 29? Yes, 90. 290 is 29 into 10. So this is divisible by 29. So half of it, 5 times it goes. 206, is it divisible? 45, 55 plus 6. 55 plus 6 is 61. No. So answer could be A or D. A we are rejecting. Why we are rejecting A? Because 1 plus 3 is 5. 4. Right children? 1 plus 3, 4. Means this is even. 4, that is even. Right children? So now 1 plus 3 plus 5 is sum of 3 odd integers. Is what? 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. Means if you add 2 numbers, it is even. But if you add 3 numbers, it is odd. So that means 29 is the median, means left side there are x numbers, right also there are x numbers. Means this x is 2x, means even number of terms. So in between what is left over? Only one number is left over. That means there are total number of terms in the series are odd numbers. Total number of numbers, elements that series is odd. So you should have this odd number, not even. So you have 2 answers satisfying. This is even, this is odd. So which should be correct answer children? Is this even correct or odd correct? You see, if you say even is correct, there should be even number of terms. But there are odd number of terms. Therefore, even cannot be answered, odd should be correct. So answer is D, but not A. We are getting 348 divisible by 29, we are getting 145 also divisible by 29, but this cannot be answered because there are odd number of terms which are to be added, so it should be sum be odd, not even. Okay, children, please note it fast. Right, so let us go to the next question. I think children 348 is not the correct answer, you might have understood. Because 348 means if you add all odd numbers, if you add two odd numbers you will get even, if you add three odd numbers you will get odd. That means even number of odd numbers if you add you will get even, odd number of odd numbers if you add you get odd. So there are odd number of years, therefore this cannot be answer, only this is the answer. Right, children? I think this is very clear. Let us proceed to the next one. If the median of set of consecutive even integers is 29, means there will be two terms in between. There will be two terms in between and their average is 29. So that's why you see if the median of two consecutive even integers is 29, an odd number, that means the even number of integers in the set. This we have already discussed. So number which is divisible by 20 is this, and this is not divisible, this is not divisible. 377, I don't know if it is divisible or 29 means 87, 360. So this is also divisible, but sum should be even, because just now we have seen 1 plus 3 is 4, even. 1 plus 3 plus 5, 8, not itself, 9, odd. That means even number of terms if you add, you'll get even number. Odd number of terms if you add, you'll get odd number. This is odd, means this should be the case. But he says even number of integers, he said. Therefore, this should be the case. If this should be the case, answer should be 290, because something which is multiple of 29 you should have. So therefore, answer is only 290. Okay, please note it fast, quick. Right, children? So let us go to the next question. The graph is showing water level in a dam. Use the graph from question 7 to 9, same graph. So days passed, water levels. So 20 to 60 days, water level is at 70 feet. Okay. And 60 to 80 days, water level is at 30 feet. And 80 to 100 days, water level is at 60 feet. This is the thing. What is the mode of the daily water level? So what is mode which is most repeated, which looks heavy? 20 to 60 days you are having highest, most repeated. So it is 70, children. Mode is most repeated, median is the middlemost term, average sum of all terms divided by n. Right, children? This is what is the thing you need to look at. So most repeated is 70, so more is 70, because 20 to 60, more number of days it is happening. Out of 100 days, 20 to 60 means 20 to 100 days, children, you see. 0 to 100 means Out of them, 40 days are going here. So here at 50 level you have 10 days. At 30 level it is 20 days. And at this level again it is 20 days. So highest is this, isn't it? 40. Most repeated. Most repeated is 70. Therefore mode is 70. So option B, children. So this is mode. Right? So please note it fast. Then we'll go next question. Quick. Right, children? So let us go to the next question. What is the median day water level? So there are 40 days where it is 20 to 60. Here we have 40 days on water level is highest, which is 70 feet. Okay. That is higher than 60 feet. 0 20 we have something at 50 feet. 50 feet is lower than 60 feet. Hence the median of water level is 60. Why we are looking at 60, children? Please look at this. 60 feet, this is in between these two values. This is in between these two values. So this lowest, you remove this. So if you take here to here, between these two average is 60. And this is at 60 level only. So the middlemost, it becomes generally equal to 6. So therefore, the median becomes 60 units, 60 feet, right, children? Because it is the most way you can take. So therefore, it is 60 feet. And C, please note it fast, quick. Right, children. So let us go to the next question. What is the average daily water level? Children, average means number of days into feet plus number of days into feet plus number of days feet, like that. Sum of total will get. By total number of days you do 50 into 20 plus 20 into 40 plus 30 into 20 plus 6 into 20 by 20 plus 40 plus 20 plus 20. What is this we got? Look at this graph. See. 0 to 20 means 20 days. Water level is 50. So 20 into 50 plus 40 days, 40 to 70 plus 20 days, 20 into 30 plus 20 days into 6. So that is the total level of water or total water available in how many days? Sum of all these days, children. Sum of all these days. So 20 plus 40 plus 3 plus 20, which is found out to be 56 feet. So average be 56 feet. Quick, children. Quick, children. Right, children. So let us go to the next question. What is the median of 0, minus 2 to 6, 18 and root 2? So first arrange the numbers from smaller number to greater numbers, then middlemost term becomes the median. So if you arrange them, you will be arranging them as minus 2 is smallest, then 0, then root 2, then 18, then 256. So how many numbers are there? 0, comma. Okay. So middlemost term is what? Here you have 2 terms and here you have 2 terms. So middlemost term is root 2. Therefore median should be root 2 children. So all number of terms are middlemost. Generally whenever we find out median, arrange them in increasing order, then find the middlemost term. If 2 terms are there, take average. If term is there, the middlemost term is the median. That's what we have done, is root 2. Please note it fast, quick. Right children, so let us go to the next question. What is the mode of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? So generally it is the most repeated is the mode. So 3 is coming 2 times, minus 4 only once, 7 only once, 9 only once, 0.5 only once. So most repeated is 3, therefore mode is 3, option C. Right children? Something which occurs more number of times is mode. Right, so let us go to the next question. What is mode of this? Children, pi has come twice and 2 has come twice. Equal number of times 2 and pi are occurring. So mode should be the one which is repeated more number of times. It should be in as well as B children. Please note fast, quick. What is the range of 281 minus 6 pi and 1 by 2? Range is nothing but highest minus least. That is range children. Okay. So now if you look at this, what is highest? 8 and least is minus 6. Range is nothing but highest minus best. So 8 minus of minus 6, which is 14. Please note it fast, quick. Now next question children. Which of the following sets as the larger standard deviation? So in set A, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B, we have 1, 4, 15, 21, 27. So deviation is very high in B and very low in A. Deviation is very high, 1 to 27 you see. And in set B, you have 1 to 5. So there 5 numbers, here 5 numbers. Deviation is low and set B deviation is very high. So standard deviation is very high in B. Set B, that is option A. Clear children? Please read fast, quick. So right children, let us go to the next question. Median of is larger than the averages. Which one of the following sets? So we should find out median as well as averages, then we'll get it. Median, so middlemost term. Increasing order, yes. Increasing order, yes. Increasing order, yes. Increasing order, yes. So median 10, 10, 10. Right children, middlemost term in all four is 10. Median is 10. So this average is 10, this average is 10. So therefore, for this median is average is 10 and median is also 10. He says median is larger than averages. So here if you take the sum of these two is greater than 10. So that is average is more than median. So here 10 and average is 10, so is equal to median. 12 plus 7. So this is lesser than 20, 19. So lesser than this is 10. So therefore D is the option children. Because average is lesser than 10 here. Sum of all terms by 5 is lesser than 10. Means which is lesser than more. In all the cases average is higher than 10 or equal to 10. Like that. In this case we got higher than 10. In these two cases we got equal to 10. Therefore average is equal to median in these cases. Average is lesser than median in this case, more than median in this case, average is lesser than median in this case. So answer is option D. Option D. Right children, please note it fast, quick. Right children, let us go to the next question. This is from the previous painter we got it. So x is less than y is less than z, z equal ky, x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means y is greater than 0, z is also greater than 0. And the averages of numbers x, y and z is 3. So x is 0 means y plus z equal to 9. Y plus z equal to 9. 3 times the median. Median is most term children, isn't it? So median of x plus z is y. So average is 3 times the median, he said. So x plus y z by 3 is 3y, but x is 0. So you take x is 0 and z equal to ky, y only, z is ky by 3 equal to 3y. So you can take a y common and cancel it. K plus 1 equal to 9, k equal to 8. K equal to 8 you will get. Right children? You will get k as 8. Now what is that asked you to find out? Only a value? Yes, only a value. Right children? I think you got it. X is 0 he said. X is 0. Y only. Z is k. I have substituted by 3. Average equal 3 times the median. Median is y. So y gets cancelled. You will get k plus 1 equal to 9. K equal to 8. Right children? So please note this previous page, then to the next page. Quick. So this is over children. Let us go to the next page quickly. Please note it fast, quick. Right, and I think you have copied. Let us go to the next question. three positive numbers x, y and z have following relationships: y equal to x plus 2, z equal to y plus 2. And the median of x, y, z means we know it is y, median is y, we know that. Is subtracted from the product of the smallest number and the median, x minus y. Product of the smallest number and the median. So, product of smallest number means x and median y, xy minus median is y. So, x minus y we should take. Then the result is 0. So, this is equal to 0, he says. What is the value of the largest number? Z value he is asking. So, y if you take on x minus 1 is 0. So, y cannot be 0. X minus 1 is 0 means x is 1 we got. If x is 1, y equal to 3 you get, z equal to y plus 2. Y plus 2 means 3 plus that is 5. So, what is that he asked? He asked you to find the largest number, that is 5 children. So, that is 5. Okay. Please note it fast, quick. Just a minute, this will eliminate. So, please note it fast children. Right. Okay, we continue the things, remaining things in next class. Is tomorrow or whenever you have next class. Thank you and have a great time. Please don't play in the rain. Okay, it's not good. That too before exams. Please avoid any thing that hampers your health, spoils your health. Right, children? Thank you and have a great day.